to everyone, my name is Jack Panavara. Today I just want to share an idea for an outfit that is good for a summer day. It's a minimalistic oversized look. A few days ago I was browsing at the COS store and I have found this oversized fit t-shirt. From the COS website it says that these t-shirts features a mock neck with a twin needle stitched shoulder seam. So this t-shirt, it has an oversized fit, a drop shoulder and a mock neck. So these three in particular I think is good for a slim type of body like mine. Here's why, because I think a lot of people may disagree that slim type of body shouldn't wear an oversized fit. I think this t-shirt, it has a big quality heavy cotton fabrics that's kind of built its shapes on your body so people wouldn't see it through, and its structure is also kind of thick so it stays to the fit. It's not like a wavy type of clothes, so the oversized fit also enlarged the body, my body, than I actually am. Let's take a look. Typical typical style of packaging from COS. So this one is a size S. I should hang this. So you can see that it is quite large. The body is very large. It's a wide shape. Yeah, you can't feel this, but the fabric is very heavy. I instead would wear it with my typical trouser. My everyday trouser in a baggy style. Let's try this look. I think it would work. I don't know if other people do it or not, but I like to wear like a thin layer of a t-shirt. It's an Arism t-shirt from Uniqlo, so I just don't like any stain on the clothes, so I like to wear it as a basic layer. I will take off this label. I don't watch the clothes when I bought it. I just wear it. I like to feel them. I love the smell of the new clothes, so I don't watch it. I don't know. Do people watch it? Do you guys watch it? This is how it fits on me. So as I said, I have a very slim type of body, but I like to have the spaces between my body and the clothes itself. So I think it gives me a very interesting look. I also like to wear with my watch, Birkenstock. Alright guys, so I thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next video. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and support me to help me grow this channel. I really thank you so much and hope to see you soon. Bye!